Good afternoon, Cougars, and happy Friday. I hope you guys have all been enjoying the snowy weather we've had this week. What do you call a hippie's wife? A Mississippi. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Just some more reminders about CU and AP classes. CU Succeed College Credit is available to students this semester. Please check with your teacher for information regarding this opportunity. Students are responsible for tuition payment this year for their CU Succeed courses if they opt to take the college credit. UC Denver credit is $77 per credit hour, and registration is due September 18th. UCCS credit is $52 per credit hour, and registration is due October 8th. If you have further questions about CU Succeed, please contact Mrs. Schultzke. Are you interested in taking a UCCS college course online, tuition-free, and taught by UCCS instructor Laura Austin Urich? Sign up for interpersonal communication and earn 3 college credits and 1 high school credit. This class begins September 9th, and today is the last day that you will be able to enroll. This class runs through September 9th to December 9th. AP students, remember to get your join codes from your AP instructors, log in through your College Board account, and join your AP class. This will give you access to your AP classroom resources and AP exam registration, which is due by October 2nd. Remember, D11 is paying for AP exams this year. Contact Mrs. Schultzke if you have any questions. Another reminder, Cougars, Coronado clubs are gearing up. Clubs may be virtual or in person, however, district guidelines are very specific and must be followed. Once you get a teacher to sponsor your club, they will have the required paperwork and protocol for getting started. Origami Club is starting next Tuesday, September 15th at 3 to 3:30. Do you enjoy art? Are you looking for a new hobby? Origami Club is perfect for you. Please visit tinyurl.com/origamiclubchs for the meeting link. Hope to see you there. Remember, Cougars, never be the reason that somebody has a bad day. Have a great weekend.